Welcome, in front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. I want to do it from the top right side, and then here you'll find a bunch of toggles. One of them should be a screen recorder. You can swipe down on it to extend the list, and you can see it right here. Once you see it, you can tap on it. It automatically begins recording, and you can open up applications, do whatever you want to record whatever you want, almost. There's a limitation to some applications will block it, but in any case, once you're done, interact with this, click on the square to stop the recording, and this will automatically save it to your Photos or AI Gallery application. Of course, everything needs to be AI. So in here, we can navigate to videos, and in here you can see we have our screen recorder. Not this one, this one. You can also close this overlay. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.